There is a Mendeley tool called Mendeley Cite, which integrates with Microsoft Word. It allows you to insert citations into a Word document where you want them located. And it also lets you create a bibliography at the end of the paper based on the citations that you inserted. You can obtain Mendeley Cite free of charge at a Microsoft site. There are several steps in locating it. Go to Mendeley.com and click on the download button. Scroll down to the Citation plugin link labeled Find Out More. On the next page, click Mendeley Cite. The next page is a Microsoft site. Click on the Get It Now link. There will be a pop-up agreement page. Click Continue. It may ask you to log in. On the next page, there is a link that says Open in Word. This will download a Word doc illustrating where Mendeley will be located. Open up your Word document, click on the References tab, and Mendeley should be there. I'm using a mock-up document of bicycling as an example. Click on the Mendeley Cite icon. A new panel will open on the right side. You may be prompted to log in. Before we insert citations, one issue to be aware of is that Mendeley Cite only shows references that are in the All Documents folder. It does not show references in groups or other folders at this time. A technician at Mendeley tells me they are working on fixing that, but for now it is the case. So, make sure the references you need are in the All Documents folder. If they are not there, go into your Mendeley desktop version, copy references from your group, and put them in the All Documents folder. You can also select and drag them from one location to another. Make sure to synchronize and, in Mendeley Cite, make sure to click Refresh References. I have noticed it sometimes takes a few minutes to update. Here is the process I will complete next. I am going to insert 3 citations, then I will create a bibliography with them. Then I will add a 4th citation and the bibliography will update automatically. Next, I will remove 1 citation and the bibliography will update again. Note that you can scroll through the citations to find the one you need, or you can use the search box and type in one of the authors or the title to locate the citation you need. I'm going to select the first 4 references as a matter of convenience. I put my cursor at the end of the first sentence where I want the citation to go. I select this first citation, then I click Insert, and the citation is inserted. I do the same for the 2nd and 3rd citations at other points in the paragraphs. Next, I want to put in my bibliography. I place my cursor a few spaces below the ending of the paragraph. I click on the More link and I select Insert Bibliography, and it creates it for me. I add a 4th citation. I put the cursor where I want it to go, select the citation, and click Insert. After that, a 4th reference is added to the bibliography. Next, I'll remove a citation. I select the citation in the document that I want to remove. In the right side pane, an Edit Citation message shows up with a citation and an X next to it. I can click that X and it removes the citation from the paragraph and from the bibliography. That's all for now. If you have any questions, contact me, Tom Schmiedel, or another librarian here at Western. You can find us on the library homepage. Click on Get Help, go down to Research Consultations, and then scroll down to Library Liaisons. You can find our emails there. And have a good day.